Hello everyone and welcome to Blender Essentials for Beginners, Transform and Gizmo Basics. If you have ever opened Blender, grabbed an object and somehow sent it flying into the void, rotated into an absolute nonsense, you are in the right place. In this course, we are going right back to the foundations and properly learning how to control objects in Blender with confidence. We will cover the core transformation tools like Move, Rotate and Scale, and we will break down how Gizmo actually works. From there, we will explore professional pipeline techniques, customizing origin locations and rotation, and fixing meshes with their starting positions for easier export. We will also cover one of the biggest beginner sticking points in Blender, which is object origins. You will learn what they are, why they matter, and how they affect rotation, placement, pivoting, and even modifiers. As the course goes on, we will move into transform orientations, pivot point controls, item panel values, dimensions, and the important habit of applying transforms correctly. And finally, we will tackle some real-world problem solving, handling awkward object behavior, and understanding how to get clean, predictable results. So, if you want Blender to feel less confusing and a lot more controllable, let us get started.